Hey guys, so here's another fan that I got from the Visalia Antique Store. Yes, I'm still on the journey to collect antique fans. That I get from the Visalia Antique Store and other places. No, actually, I didn't even mean to say that. That I get for a lot of money because these antique fans, they are expensive, but they are built to last, I guess. I don't know about this one, but yeah. So I actually got two of them. So the first of which is this 12-inch Wizard table fan that's made by Zero. It's one of the dime store fans. The second fan is this 12-inch Patton high velocity fan, which I'll get to that one after this one. We're starting with this one. So I got this fan for I think $35. I actually don't know. And it honestly looks pretty cool. Here's what it looks like. Whoops. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit on this bench here so I can show you guys. Oops, I think it's in frame. Okay. Let's get a close-up look at it, see what it is. So it's got a white plated badge. It's Zero Wizard Deluxe. It's not Zero Wizard Deluxe 12-inch fan. It's got the same blade as every dime store fan, like my Imperial and my Zero fan. This is basically the big brother of my Zero fan, the Zero fan that I have, the 6-inch Zero fan that I have, 125 LAR. I'm not sure the model number on this one, but yeah. The grill is extremely rusted. That's one of the things that I needed to do before I restore it. This is not the original. This is not the official video of the fan. I still have to restore it because the blade is out of balance. It shakes. Well, if I can't do that, I guess I will probably clean it up and probably. I don't have Evaporust, but I will try to see if I can probably repaint it. I'm not exactly sure, but the blade does need balancing. Okay, that's not gonna work. There we go. Here's the back of it, and it's got one speed. It's just one of these little rotary switches. It's wall mountable. The wing nut, unfortunately, is really tight, and I thought this fan was only going to be locked in its one position, but it turns out I was wrong because I could still tilt it for wall mounting. So look, all right, goes about that far, so I can wall mount it, as you guys can see, and that's pretty nice. I'm still really on the hunt for these antique fans, to be honest. But yeah. If you guys do remember, the first antique fan that I got from the antique store in Visalia was the Imperial fan that I got back in November. That was a 10-inch fan. Now, we're on the hunt for a bigger 12-inch fan, as you guys can see. And, yeah. All right, now I will go ahead and see here. All right. So the Imperial fan that I have, and it works, that fan works right now. It's just that fan, that fan is also one speed, but it's a plug-in fan. It's very similar to this one. The problem with that fan was, I think the rotor or something, maybe this is a rotor or stator, I'm not sure exactly, was not aligned, so the fan sat there and just hummed, and it would seize up. What I'm gonna try to do when I restore this one is not do that. I'm just gonna take the blade off and the guard off, and that's it. Because I opened up the motor for that fan, and I think we took something out. I think it was probably either the rotor or the stator. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what But I think that's how it messed up. So apparently it would just sat there, made a humming noise, and then just didn't really spin at all. So yeah. Now I'll plug this thing in, and I'll show you guys the problem that this fan has. There we go. All right, it's plugged in. So yeah. It's probably also gonna swing to the side because I don't even know how to do it. I don't know how it works. So it swings to the side because it's so out of balance and it shakes pretty badly. It sounds like a lawnmower when it's on because of the rattling that it has, but at least it still runs. So my plan is to balance it, but let's go ahead and run it, see what it does. So here it's on. It's only a single speed. And it's running. As you guys can see, it runs really good. There's no issues with it. It's not supposed to be. I mean, yeah, it is out of balance. That's the badge rack. Alright, no medium, no low, so here's off. Yeah, it needs to be balanced. Alright, thanks for watching.